So I made it inside of Michael's, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of quickly the cuteness that they have. This is so lovely and country. Some little crates, lemonade, fresh lemonade, Sunnyside Beverage Company, lemon lime, fizzy. These are cute. Hola for fiestas. Hola. This is really pretty. I like that with the gold. Mi casa es su casa. Looked at those too. I thought those were cute. Nice pillows. More crates. And these alphas in different colors. They have the purpley pink or whatever. But they have about a few colors. Then these beaded are, I can't remember the whatever. These are cute. Oh, that is so pretty. That orange and that pink is pretty. I like this, the style, the shape of these. These are $13. I'm not sure if there's, I think these are all, they might be on sale. I noticed there's a 50% off. But these are so cute. These maybe lantern covers or whatever they're for. These are cute for like holding bottles or drinks or something like that. Carrying. More decor. Cute. Nice. I sip. Oh, I thought that said I sip Olay. But anyway, that's some Spanish that I don't understand. Fiesta. There is no Mariana. Mariana. Yeah. My Spanish sucks. You had me at margarita. You can trust me, you can dance. Tequila. I guess tequila said that. Yes. Oh, this is, yeah. Pottery bowls, little bags. Look at this. This is real Fiesta stuff here, right here. Oh, these are nice. This reminds me of my guy. He's a chef. He has restaurants here. And I can't think of his last name right now. Somebody might help me. But his name is Rick Bayless. And he's always cooking Spanish themed foods. And, oh, lovely. Oh, wow, love these. They look, oh, these are nice. Oh, my goodness. I would love to put those in the garden, too. Love those. Love those. So these are melamine. Here's some more. It's the little things. I like those. I think, was that Dollar Tree or somebody had those too? I like these too. I was made for sunny days. Enjoy the journey. Say yes to adventure. And then more word signs, love, and I think this one is dreams back there. Dreams and love. More dreams. Summer rules. Nap often, eat plenty, relax and unwind, celebrate everything, sip a drink, be grateful for today, share stories and laugh, watch the sunset. It's cute. Oh, I love this color. It's speaking to me. These are so pretty and heavy. Nice and heavy. I love those. I would love to have some of those. Then these plates. These are in different colors. $10. But they're all 50% off, I believe. So, and they're different colors. Yeah, I like that. Oh, I like that. Yeah, those are cute. It's always happy hour, vacay mode. I like the shape of those. Love the shape of those. It's pretty. Everything starts with a dream. Go where your dreams take you. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. Mirrors. More beach comber bags. I love those. I love geography and maps and travel. Oh, look at there. Wow. Wow. I like those. Awesome. More little pineapples. I think these are Peters. Salt and pepper Peters. Yep. Salt and pepper Peters. $7. Not bad. Oh, I like this. I usually make my own things of those. Oh, wow. I like this too. And here's some, I want to call them parakeet macaws, not canaries, but whatever they are. Somebody will help me. And more light, more lanterns or whatever. I like this. I like this a lot. I like that. I like what they did to that. I love that too. Oh, look at these. Neat. Okay. Okay. Not gonna be on here long. Oh, I see some orange. Some beautiful tangerine. 2 shades of it, like a orange, a tangerine, and some kind of bloody orange or something. These are pretty. These are pretty. These are, okay, yeah, 10 and enjoy. Pineapple styled, look at the hear no evil, see no evil, do no evil. No, say, excuse me. See no evil, say no evil, and hear no evil. Let me get back over here and then I'll finish up over there. So the bowls and the, you know, the trays, nice trays and little bowls and whatnot, more of the alphas. This is really fun to really lay out your garden, or for, you know, parties and fellowships. Fun. Like these too. These water pitchers are nice. Oh, look at these vases. These are so pretty. That is so like Mexican styled or whatever. So beautiful. Colorful. Welcome. Oh, these are nice. Oh, I love those. Those are, is this metal? Yeah. Oh yeah, I like those. I'm probably gonna, yeah, I'm gonna have to get some of those, but gotta use my coupons. I like this too. I've been wanting some easel situations like that. So, oh, okay, these are chargers, right? How much are these? $10. Cocktail lounge. Welcome. Yeah, I like this too. Yeah, these are cute. Cute chargers. Canisters, I guess. And trivets for hot plates and hot pots or whatever. Trays. Oh, these are shelving units, I guess. Let me put it back so okay. I like these. These pineapples are so pretty. Love. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, like the metal work. More shelving. Welcome. Enjoy your journey. I like this. This looks like it's in a big bottle cap. Oh, look at, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is speaking to me. This is speaking to me. Travel and, oh, wow. Oh, these are cute. Okay. So yeah, those are Village Decor Coastal. These are nice. I like clocks too. Look at the flamingos. These are beautiful. The way they're painted. More trays. I guess this would be tray. It was wall, probably wall art, but these are cute little travel tags, suitcase or your luggage tags or whatever. These are, yeah, party. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, and it's like a gold foiled type of paint or whatever. Okay, well, I'm gonna look around some. I don't have much time on here, but I will come back and possibly show what I picked up for today. Yep. So anyway, I just wanted to show you all some of the goods that they have here in Michael's. Some of the florals and whatnot. This is pretty. Yep. So anyway, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction. I'll be signing out for now. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I love this. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite thing you saw. Oh, this is cute. Look at this little swimming pool. Oh, this would be cute with, like, only in my dreams. She does all of those miniature houses and stuff. That would probably be cute outside of one of her houses. But anyway, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing off for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.